Imagine you're renovating a house. You wouldn't spend a fortune on designer wallpaper if the foundation was sinking or the roof was leaking, right? Of course not. In dentistry, it's the same. We have to secure the foundation before we focus on the aesthetics. And today, I'm giving you the 8-step roadmap to a healthy smile restoration that doesn't just look good for a season, but lasts a lifetime. To make it simple, we've organized these steps into 3 distinct phases. Now, you might not need every single stop on this map, and the finish point will be different for each person, but by understanding this sequence, you'll know exactly where you are in your journey and what to check for reaching your finish line. Step 1, clearing the path. We start by clearing the breeding ground for bacteria, plaque, tartar, and heavily decayed teeth. By removing the source of active infection, we help your body to heal and ensure a healthy environment for everything that follows. Step 2, stopping cavities. We then move on to treat any teeth with active decay that hasn't reached the nerves and retreat leaky fillings to stop further damage. Treating them with fillings and inlays, we can strengthen the tooth. Think of this as reinforcing the walls. Stabilizing these teeth early prevents future tooth loss and ensures the framework of your smile is rock solid. Step 3, saving the roots. We now focus on those teeth where decay has reached the nerve and teeth with a crown which look perfect on the outside while harboring infection at the root. We perform endodontic treatment to prevent any further infections and end pain in those teeth. We must ensure the internal space is sterile and healthy because placing a final crown on a diseased root is a recipe for failure. Step 4, strengthening the soil. This is also a critical part of your foundation. Your gums and bone are the soil your teeth sit in. We treat any inflammation or gum disease now to ensure your teeth are firmly anchored. No matter how good the dental work looks, it won't last if the support system is shaky. Now that your mouth is free from disease-causing bacteria and inflammations, let's move to the next phase. Step 5, fixing the alignment. We now focus on your bite. If your teeth are crowded or tilted, we move them into position now with braces. The golden rule: this must happen before implants and bone augmentation. Natural teeth can move, but an implant is fused to the bone. Once it's in, it's a permanent anchor that won't budge. Step 6, filling the gaps. We now focus on the missing teeth. We check the soil one last time. If the jawbone is too thin to support an anchor, we perform a graft to strengthen it, then we place the implants, your new permanent foundations for any missing teeth. Step 7, securing the molars. We start with the back teeth. Your molars bear the heavy load of chewing. By crowning them first, we create a stable bite that acts like a shock absorber, protecting your front teeth from chipping. Now that we've locked in a layout that functions seamlessly, let's move to the final phase, designing aesthetics of your beautiful smile. Step 8, securing the front teeth. This is the moment you've been waiting for. We shape and place your final veneers or crowns on the front teeth. Because the foundation is solid and the back teeth are absorbing the pressure, your new smile is built to last. This 8-step roadmap ensures your investment is protected. Remember, restoration is a journey. You can take breaks between these phases for rest or financial planning, as long as you never skip the order. Which phase of the roadmap are you in right now? Let me know in the comments and let's get your foundation right.